Tired of your chat messages being ignored in Webex meetings? Learn how to @mention anyone so they get notified instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use @mentions in Webex meeting chat, from signing in to sending your first highlighted message. So let's start at the very beginning. Go ahead and sign in to your Webex account. Use your regular work email and password or whatever single sign-on your company uses. You know the drill. Just get logged in. Now that you're in, you need to join or start a meeting. If you're joining one, just click the meeting link from your calendar or the invitation email. If you're starting one, hit that big green Start Meeting button from the Webex app or website. Either way works. All right, once you're inside the meeting, you'll want to open the chat panel. Look at the bottom of your meeting window, and you should see a speech bubble icon or a button that says Chat. Click on that. It'll slide open the meeting chat panel, usually on the right side of your screen. This is where all the conversation happens. Now, you'll see a text box right at the bottom of that chat panel. It might say something like, type a message here. Click inside that box. This is where we're going to do our magic. And here's the really important part. Type the @ symbol. That's the Shift plus the number 2 key for most keyboards. Just type @. As soon as you do that, a list of names will pop up. These are all the participants in the meeting. You can scroll through that list and click on the person you want to reach. Or, even faster, just keep typing their name after the @ symbol. The list will filter down as you type. It's like a smart search. Pick their name from the list. Now you've got that person's name highlighted in the chat box. Go ahead and type your message right after their name. You don't need a space or anything fancy. Just something like, hey Sarah, can you check your inbox? Or, for the whole team, @everyone, please mute your microphones. The mention works no matter what you type. When your message is ready, hit the send button, or just press enter on your keyboard. That's it. Now watch what happens. That person you mentioned is going to get a notification. Depending on their settings, they might see a pop-up or hear a subtle chime. And in the chat itself, their name will appear highlighted. It'll be bold or in a different color, so it stands out from everything else. They won't miss it. And there you have it. You have successfully used @mentions in a Webex meeting chat. I've tested this workflow myself multiple times, and it works reliably across different versions of Webex. The key takeaway is simple. No more lost messages in a busy chat. When you need someone's attention, just use the @ symbol in their name. It's a small step that saves a lot of frustration. Give it a try in your next meeting. I promise you'll wonder why you didn't use it sooner. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting those messages noticed.